Month. On February 1, 1948, Rick James born. 1960, 4 college students began sit-in at North Carolina lunch counter. On February 2, 2009, Eric Holder named U.S. Attorney General. On February 3, 1903, Jack Johnson wins NEGRO heavyweight title. 2015, golfer, Charlie Sifford died. On February 4, 1875, Congressman James D. Rapier's speech before Congress. On February 5, 1934, Henry Hancaron born. On February 6, 1950, Natalie Maria Cole born. On February 7, 1926, Negro History Week originated by Carter G. Woodson is observed for the first time. On February 8, 1986, Oprah Winfrey hosts nationally syndicated talk show. On February 9, 1995, astronaut Bernard Harris spacewalk. 1987, Michael Bakari Jordan born. On February 10, 1964, U.S. House of Representatives passed Civil Rights Act. On February 11, 1990, Nelson Mandela released after 27 years in jail. On February 12, 1909, NAACP formed. 1934, William Bill Russell born. On February 13, 1970, Joseph Searles admitted to NYSE. On February 14, 1920, Rube Foster formed Negro League with 8 teams. 1978, Danijak Gurira born. On February 15, 1968, Henry Lewis leads a symphony orchestra in U.S. On February 16, 1972, Wilt Chamberlain, first NBA player to score 30,000 points after 941 games. On February 17, 1963, Michael Jordan, NBA player born. On February 18, 1970, Chicago 7 acquitted. On February 19, 1919, Pan-African Congress met in Paris. 1963, Seal Olusegun Adiola Samuel, born. On February 20, 1919, Oscar Micheaux released first film, in Chicago. 1988, Robin Rihanna Fenty born. On February 21, 1965, Malcolm X assassinated. 1985, MLB outfielder, Tim Raines awarded $1.2 million salary. On February 22, 1979, Frankie Peterson Jr., named Marine Corps General. 2021, U.S. COVID-19 more than 500,000 plus cases. On February 23, 1873, Jim Crow laws enacted. 1926, Dorothy Steele is born. 2020, Ahmaud Arbery killed in Georgia. On February 24, 1864, Rebecca Lee received M.D. degree. 1989, Daniel Kaluuya born. On February 25, 1964, Cassius Clay wins first heavyweight fight. On February 26, 1928, Antoine Fats Domino born. On February 27, 1988, Debbie Thomas, Olympic figure skater, wins bronze. On February 28, 1932, Richard Spikes patented automatic gear shift. On February 29, 1940, Hattie McDaniel won an Oscar for her 1939 role in Gone with the Wind.